Today we'll talk about how can you enable download completed notifications on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notification settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on notification categories. You come to next step here, come here to download completed. Just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us here. That's mean download completed notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you agree. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.